Hey there, fellow cyclists. Today we're going to talk about an essential tool for every rider, the bicycle air pump. Whether you're a seasoned cyclist or just starting out, knowing how to use a bicycle air pump is crucial for maintaining the optimal performance of your bike. So does your bicycle need an air pump? The answer is a resounding yes. Properly inflated tires not only ensure a smooth and safe ride, but also extend the lifespan of your bike's components. Now let's dive into the nitty-gritty of how to pump air into your bicycle tires. First things first, it's important to ensure that the valve type of the air pump matches the valve type of the bicycle inner tube. There are different valve types, including ordinary valves, American valves, and French valves. Once you identified the valve type, align the valve head of the air pump with the valve of the bicycle inner tube, ensuring a perfect fit. Depending on the valve type, you may need to press down and fix the valve head on the valve or unscrew the valve core before attaching. Now, it's time to start pumping. Use the handle or foot pedal of the pump to inflate the tire until you reach the desired air pressure. It's important to pay attention to the recommended air pressure, which is usually marked on the side of the tire. Once you've completed the pumping, carefully remove the valve head from the valve, and if necessary, tighten the valve core. Then check the air pressure to ensure it meets the requirements of the bicycle inner tube. It's also a good practice to regularly check the tire pressure of your bicycle, especially before riding, to ensure that the air pressure meets the recommended levels. Now when it comes to choosing a reliable bicycle air pump, look no further than Sumpo. As a professional bicycle pump manufacturer, Sumpo offers high-quality pumps that are designed to make the inflation process smooth and efficient. Sumpo air pump can inflate accurately and stop automatically when full. It contains AI intelligent sensor chip, which can accurately detect tire pressure without error. LED digital display makes operation more convenient. Unique air nozzle design, suitable for both American air nozzle and French air nozzle. With Sumpo's pumps, you can rest assured that you're using a trusted and dependable tool to keep your bicycle tires properly inflated, ensuring a safe and enjoyable riding experience. So there you have it, the ins and outs of using a bicycle air pump and the importance of keeping your tires properly inflated. Remember, a well-maintained bike leads to a smoother ride and a longer-lasting cycling experience. Thanks for watching, and happy cycling!